Hello, my friends, it's Tomb Raider, and I'm coming at you from Vrchat. This time, my avatar is a drone, and I chose the drone deliberately since I wanted to show you aerial images of Paris. I happen to be at the Vrc Paris World by Crazy Polsky 103. Vrc Paris. So, in front of me is the Eiffel Tower. Indeed, a world famous landmark. Let's see if I can make it all the way to the top. It would be amazing to see the whole city from up there. There we go. Yeah, and for those of you that have drones, I hope you're enjoying them. I'm in the process of selling mine. I have a DJI Spark, but I want to upgrade to maybe the DJI Mavic 3 or Mavic Pro. It's the one that comes, well, you can purchase it with a remote control that has a built-in screen. So instead of using your smartphone, you use a screen on the remote control. So yeah, it's either the DJI Mavic Pro or Mavic 3. It's one of those. Anyways, here's an aerial view of the Paris world. Great music too. I'm not sure how long it took the creator to build this world, but you know, folks, it's not easy. Wow. And to my left, I think that's one of the famous landmarks too. There's like all these streets that sort of, I don't want to say collide, but come together. I wonder how bad traffic in Paris would be. I don't know if it compares to traffic in Los Angeles or New York City. Those are perhaps considered some of the worst in the nation. Huh. And for those that wonder about the avatar drone, yes, it's I actually cloned it from a friend of mine who's we're both members of the All Spacers in Vrchat group. My understanding is you can also bring a friend. A friend can sit Maybe sit on that barcode, that square that you see, and you can both fly around worlds on VRChat, which makes it, you know, very convenient. Eventually, if you don't do anything, eventually the drone comes down. And if you want to fly up, press repeatedly the A button. Yeah, all these tricks of the trade, you learn them as you visit VRChat more frequently. Let me head over to the other side before I finish the video. Very pleasant melody. I like it. Notice from the height we were, see how I'm slowly descending? Yeah. Hmm. Yes, I imagine you could walk many of these sections of the city, you know, with your avatar. Oh, got those water fountains. Mm. Now if I change my avatar, I'm gonna drop down like a ton of bricks. See? Ooh. There we go. This is what we saw. Flow of water. So folks, I'm gonna stop the video here and I encourage you to visit at your leisure, okay? I don't think, let me see, but I have a feeling the buildings serve as a facade, but I don't think you can go in. Yeah. Oh, let's see what the monument says. Or maybe there's no plaque. Alright, folks. Well, Tomb Raider les desea a todos una linda semana. Ya es jueves. Próximamente viene el fin de semana. Hasta luego. Chao.